I would like to introduce my sisters to this dress today. In the middle. Heart neck chest. If your hand is below, there will be one. V-shaped arm splint button. You can wear this style with wide pants. Pants are beautiful. We sew this pattern with chiffon fabric, Menland silk fabric. It is always suitable for middle-aged people. And to make this model, you have to measure. Measurement number. Shoulder measurement, neck measurement, chest, waist, and waist length. These numbers will vary from body to body, then you'll measure it so we get this number. And now we're going to go into the design part. The first step is to take the length of the shirt. The length of this dress is 58. After getting the length, I built a perpendicular line. Before I started myself. If you design for this model, my sister will prepare a step like this. Here I put paper together for the front towel and the back towel. Now I'm going to cut it out. After that, I cut it off and if you do, you will arrange. Give yourself a piece that doubles. I'm in double. That's 4 millimeters of gasoline left over. Folded into for petrol. Then I put this body on. This piece of paper up. Let me start by designing for the body of the shirt. You will divide your shoulders by 2. 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. I'll take 16. Then it's down to 4. I'll take her and divide it by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. I connect it in. Then I'll take the lower chest. If I lower my chest, I will divide it by 5, plus 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is 18. I took a piece from the head and shoulders, down 18 centimeter gasoline. And then I'll take the chest piece. Chest divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I took a passage of 22. And then I'll take the lower part, starting from up here. You take it down. If you lower your waist, it will be 35. Pick up a corner. Then I'll get my waist back. Divided 4 plus 2, 64 divided by 4 plus 2. Hi. Across a street is equal to 18. 18. Then lower the hip, and we'll divide it by 4. I added 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. After I get the points, Then we'll connect. From here I'm 3 inches. And then we build a perpendicular line. I pulled the tapetrol in half. Split in 2 again. Then we'll get the torso here. After you get the body part first, we're going to start designing the rear body. Back body. I will come back from this shoulder. It's too gasoline. I bent the armpit line 7 li. Without 7 dots, and my armpits behind me will drop into 1. And her first body, you guys. The reverse of this part is 3 gasoline. I took my neck down and added 12. Divided in half. Then we'll get the neck part of the heart. And then you'll go this way. From here cut into 4. And then after that, we cut to bodies. Together, you will. We use scissors so that we can cut the body in a line. The back is cut in red. And then you get the back of the body in the red line. Here I take it out. I cut the chest. Of the rear body is 1 millimeter of gasoline, so this is the back body. And right after that, you're going to have a double stack here. I have the back here. Now to the body first. The previous body you will. I cut it from the heart when I first painted it. Come on up. Into the armpit. Well, we'll get the part of the heart first. After we've made our ancestors. Last week, my sister opened this section. We're going to put the layered part in. Get in line. Then you'll get the neck. Like this, we're going to click the residue. Leave. Then you may lock this point. And here we're going to expand. You will get the shirt. Yes, there is a picture. And then we'll draw the sleeve. I'll measure the sleeve for the armpit ring. Here's 22. It's 21 here. I'll draw for the hand. The length of this shirt I took is 35. From the top, you'll get your breasts. Divide by 10 plus 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5. Then we are equal to 13. I took down 13 cubic meters of gasoline. Then I took the armpit ring. Before is 2 plus round armpit 2. The second is from the back, and I am 43. If we divide by 2, we're going to be 21. I'll continue for 2.5 years. Split in 2. I'm going to hit this down on 1 gas, hit this up on 2. 2 and 1. Then you'll take the door. We will also measure the door on the body. The door is 13. Then reduce this to 5 glasses and then reduce this to 1 gasoline. And then after that we're done. You guys have seen this model. It will have a part. Hand splint. Then you'll fold this one up and we'll fold it up. And we see the splint. This hand will have a cut. In the middle. Here, back here, it's going to be 1.5 inches. Then you'll cut off this road. And we're going to cut the sleeve. Then after you cut off the sleeve first. And after. In the same hand, you'll notice that. This is the back sleeve. I'll use scissors on my sleeve first. I cut this down to another gas. Then open your hand. And this arm splint is what you're going to cut off. Cut off from the hand. Then you cut. Fortunately, we just updated this hand. And one more thing you'll notice is that all the models I share that there is no seam. I have to leave the seam. Let me make a sample. You have to save the seams to make the pattern. And now let's talk about how to sew this pattern. As a first step, we will fix luck for the neck. It's 5 years of gasoline, and then you put glue on the splint. To sew the neck splint first. And then turn the back neck splint. Or you may have a common splint and a common body. We can sew the back brace. After the splint is done, you will clamp the part. Body before body later together. I sew the ribs. Later, you'll put your hands on it. Then I will be lucky. The hand to the body. After sewing hands into the body, we'll fold the body down. We sew the seams. And sew the ribs, the hand. This one will also be hand sewn. Then we're lucky. Splint of the sleeve and we may live. And you note that the model I introduced is unsewn. You must leave the seam for the model. Let me cut it on paper. There is no seam, but cutting on the fascia must have. There must be seams on the fabric. I wish you success. Thank you for watching and remember to like the channel.